Good morning, students. In science, chapter 1 is food and health, and now we will cover topic diseases. Do you know a person with a disease feels unwell and weak and is unable to work properly? There are different types of diseases. Some are caused by very tiny living things called germs. Some others are caused by deficient diet. Infectious diseases. Such diseases are spread from one person to another. They are called communicable or infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by germs. These germs can spread to other people who come in contact with the sick person. These diseases can be spread in many ways. Now we will learn how infectious diseases spread. Number 1 is through infected food and water. Food and water can become infected with germs if they are not stored properly. Germs enter food through dust and dirt. Insects such as cockroaches and house flies and small animals such as rats also spread germs. Eating infected food and drinking infected water causes diseases to spread. Examples: diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice and cholera are some diseases that spread in this way. Number 2 is through air. When a sick person coughs, sneezes or spits, germs are released into the air. When a healthy person breathes this infected air, the germs can enter the healthy person's body. The common cold, flu, measles and chickenpox spread in this way. Number 3 is through insects. Blood-sucking insects such as Anopheles mosquito sucks the blood of someone who has malaria. It sucks in malaria germs too. It then becomes a carrier of the germs. When it bites someone else, the germs are spread to that person. Through direct contact. Diseases like ringworm, chickenpox, measles and the common cold spread by touching an infected person or by using items that have been used by the infected person, like a towel, handkerchief or toy. Germs pass from one person to another in this way. Last is through damaged skin. Your skin acts as a protective wall for your body. Germs cannot enter your skin, but if your skin is cut or damaged, germs can enter freely and cause diseases. Germs of diseases such as tetanus get into your body through cuts in the skin. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.